Hi everyone, my name is Dominique Green. I'm the maker of Soap Up soaps, and today I'm going to make a special Irish soap. I already made those nipples here in different shades of green. I made them by pouring in the different shades of green. I have about, I think, 10 different colors around about. Pour it in, let it go hard, and then you just cut off with a knife. You just cut off the nipples like this, and then, well, you have nipples. I spray them with alcohol. And then I cut some transparent soap. Alright, when the transparent is melted, I add, this is fragrance oil. I'm using freshly cut grass. This is also what the green nipples here are scented. Alright, I now fill in the molds with the nipples, probably almost full, like this. And now I pour in the transparent soap to fill them up. Alright, these are solid now. I pop them out. Opala. Alright, cool. That worked out really nice. I think they look even cool by itself. But next step, I put these in here. Alright, that's how it will end up. That's the idea. I pour it in half transparent orange, and then a layer of white, and then another layer of, to fill it up, in orange, but not transparent, the other one. Alright, cool. I really like the love hearts by themselves. Okay, alright. Alright, first I do the transparent layer. That means I start with 400 grams of, this is 300 grams, and here is some left from before. And because it's the same scent, it's just different color, I used the soap that was left from before. I cut this in smaller cubes so it heats up easier and faster. Alright, and this here now goes in the microwave for 30 to 40 seconds. Alright, when the transparent soap is melted, I put in red and yellow color to get orange. I start with red. That were around 2 to 3 drops. I think it's orange enough. It appears darker, but when you take out the fork and let it pour down, it looks orange. I think it's okay. Alright, and now the scent. Freshly cut grass. I spray all of the hearts before, so I don't run out of time when the soap sets, as soon as I pour it in. The reason you spray the alcohol is to make it all combine. When you pour different layers, or when you do inlays like this here, If you don't use the rubbing alcohol in between your layers or your pieces, when you cut it, they might fall apart. For sure they will fall apart. And also the alcohol makes a very shiny and smooth finish, so it just looks better. The temperature of the orange transparent soap is now 135. That is the top of what's okay, but before your inlays or anything else that gets in contact with that temperature would start melting at around 135. But because I have to finger around here for a long time probably anyway, it will cool down by itself and then it shouldn't be a problem. Now I put in the love hearts. I know that there is not a lot of room in between, and as long as the soap is hot on the bottom, the orange, you can move it around a little bit. But I need 10 bars and I have 5 hearts, so it shouldn't be that hard. Alright. On top now I do a layer of orange in from the white melt and pour. I won't do the layer of white because I really ran out of room. For some reason my measurements didn't add up as usual. So I just do a layer of orange, that's alright too. Alright, now the white is heated up. I will use also red and yellow for the coloring to get orange. And in this one I will also add some mica to give it a bit more of a shimmer, which I like a lot. In the transparent soap I like it too and use it too, but it takes away the transparency. So it creates a cool and really swirly, like cloudy looking, really cool effect, but the transparent part is gone. And because I wanted to keep that, so if you use a lot, if you use just a bit of a sprinkle, then it has a shimmer. But if you use more and you get those nice color in color swirls of the same color, then yeah, then it's not transparent anymore. That's why I'm using the mica only in this one here, because I want to use a lot more. But I wanted to keep the transparency of the soap on the top of the bar. Let's see how much we need here. Right now it looks more like peach. It's not very strong. I add some of this. Right. Let's see how hot it is. (56 degrees Celsius, 130, almost 3 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, now put alcohol on top and I pour this. I hope I didn't wait too long again. Alright, I let it sit now until it's all hot, and then tomorrow probably we unmold it and see how it looks on the inside. I'm very curious. Let's wait. This here is set now. It is the next day. I now unmold it. Well, it looks funky for sure. It looks very funny. We'll see how the love hearts look on the inside from now. You don't see that it should be a love heart. All right, let's have a look. I get 10 bars and a little 1 centimeter piece for myself to test it. I cut in 2.5 centimeter bars using a normal ruler. I don't use a soap cutter. You can if you have one. It makes it faster and definitely more precise if you have the right soap cutter. But you can also do it with a ruler and then with a angle thingo ruler, and you get good results as well. So I mark 2.5 centimeters here, and now I go with that triangle ruler and do with those lines here. It makes 90 degrees, a straight line down. Alright, you see the cuts. And for cutting, as always, I use a normal kitchen knife, a wide one. Alright, that's what it looks like. Alright, here they are. I have to say the love heart did not come out as good as I was hoping. I think that is because I use transparent soap to hold together in the love heart mold. But I think they still look cool. The orange on the bottom also didn't work out as planned. It's more like a peach color, but the orange at the top, the transparent color, is very good. I like it. It smells good too. Alright. It is not a complete success, but I'm happy with the result. This one here looks cool. If you like them and you want one, you find them on Etsy. I send EU-wide or Europe, wherever you are. Alright, that was it. Let me know what you think about them. And I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.